We all love ANZAC biscuits, but today I'm not going to steer away from the classic ingredients, but I am cooking outside, so I'm turning my barbecue into an oven. So first of all, I've got that barbecue preheated to medium heat, and we're just going to melt down some butter, golden syrup, and just a tablespoon of water. And I just want that to be completely melted. And so while that's melting down, I'm just going to combine some flour, sugar, rolled oats, and some coconut. And just give that a stir together. So that mixture has melted, so we can just go in with a little bit of bicarb, which will give it the beautiful rise. And instantly that mixture's puffed up. So we can go straight into the flour and just do it from the center and gradually work in the mixture until it's all together. All that mixture has come together. I'm now going to turn the barbecue into the oven. So we're going to prepare it for indirect heat. So I've got one of these trivets, which is going to protect the base of our tray from burning those biscuits. And now just a foil tray with some baking paper down, and using a tablespoon of mixture at a time, just roll that into a ball and then directly onto the tray. Give it a small press down. And then we're going to go about 6 to a tray and cook in batches. And then the tray on top of the rack, medium heat, and we're going to cook those for about 12 minutes until they're beautiful and golden, and we can let them cool and keep on doing the batches. So these smell great and they look beautiful and golden, so we'll just let those cool. And you can see by having the lid closed, we've created a beautiful circular motion of air, so we've in fact created an oven outside. So while those are cooling, we can just get on to creating more batches until all the mixture is used up. So I can tell you the barbecue has never smelt this good before. All I need to do is boil the kettle and have a cup of tea with these ANZAC biscuits. So if you'd like this recipe and plenty more Mighty Helpful tips, head to the Mighty 10 website.